Now looking back, I would have told myself, hey, just pause and appreciate what's actually happening around you and the magic of the moment that you're in. My call sign's Grinder. I'm currently out at Edwards Air Force Base. My wife Holly and I are both originally from Cedar Falls, Iowa, where we're out at Edwards now with our 3 children. I'm currently the F-35 Squadron Commander and what we call the Integrated Test Force Director that's doing developmental tests for the F-35. My desire to be an astronaut has evolved over time. Early on in late grade school, I really had an interest in flying. And then as I learned more about flying and actually got into that world, the test pilot idea really appealed to me because it was a very ideal combination of engineering, which I loved, and the flying, which I loved. It was always something in the back of my mind, and as I moved into flying and then flight test, started to realize how rewarding it potentially could be, and that's what really motivated me to apply. So I actually know exactly the time I got the call. It was 9:07 because I was in the middle of about to start briefing a flight test mission out at Edwards. And so Chris and BK called me, and then as soon as I hung up the phone, went and briefed the mission, debriefed the mission, and all that whole time had to kind of obviously not let my wingman or anyone else know in the test mission what had just happened. I think my dad was a huge influence in that. So he had immigrated from India. He had done that by being the best engineer he could. And so that to me as a young child and he being my role model was something that just naturally happened. I grew up with the mentality that education truly is a gift, not to be taken for granted. And having him as an engineer, that just, quite honestly, there wasn't anything else to do. When I was a young elementary school, I'd probably tell myself just to relax a little bit, enjoy, and don't be stressed out. I don't remember a whole lot of it, but what my mom relays to me, I was apparently a very uptight child. As I move into later phases of my life, I think what I would tell myself, stop and appreciate the state that you're in.
Subscribe for more space.